When you're ready to take your projects to the next level, building a deck or paneling a wall, a circular saw becomes your new best friend. It's a must-have for any serious DIYer. I guess you're ready for that next level, and that's why you're here. Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel where we curate the best products on the internet for you. Today, we bring you our list of the top 7 best circular saws available now. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 7. Milwaukee 2530-20 M12 Fuel Circular Saw. Those who work primarily with 2x lumber and sheet material may find the Milwaukee 2530-20 a compact and lightweight alternative to full-size circular saws. The saw features a maintenance-free brushless motor that runs at 3,600 RPM. Its 5 3/8 inch blade limits cutting capacity compared to a 7 1/4 inch circular saw, but it still offers a maximum depth of 1 inch and 5/8 at 90 degrees and 1 1/8 at 45 degrees. This makes it a suitable option for DIYers and professionals who don't routinely need the power of a heavy-duty circular saw. The Milwaukee 2530-20 includes the RedLink Plus electronic control system, which optimizes battery performance and protects the tool from overheating, overloading, and over-discharge. This system helps ensure consistent performance throughout its lifespan. The tool also features a helpful built-in LED work light. It's worth noting that the included blade is high-speed steel rather than the more common tungsten carbide-tipped blade found on similar quality circular saws. Frequent users may wish to upgrade the blade for better performance. Number 6. Skilsaw SPT77WML-01 15-amp worm drive circular saw. Skil offers 2 lines of power tools, the Skil brand for DIY projects and the Skilsaw brand for professional applications. This is part of the professional Skilsaw line. Its main advantage is the worm drive system, a direct gearing mechanism between the motor and blade arbor that maximizes power transfer. This ensures consistent cutting performance with even the most challenging materials. The Skilsaw worm drive circular saw features a dual-field motor designed for saws, powering the blade at 5,300 RPM. It has a maximum depth of cut at 2 inches and 3/8 and 90 degrees at 1 inch and 15/16 at 45 degrees. The cut-ready system offers preset depth adjustments for common building materials. The handles are designed for optimal force application, reducing fatigue, and despite its magnesium construction, the Skilsaw SPT77WML-01 weighs 11.5 pounds, making it less suitable for beginners who may find it bulky and heavy to handle. Number 5. DeWalt DWE575SB 15-amp circular saw. The DeWalt DWE575SB circular saw offers a compelling mix of power and practicality. Its 15-amp motor provides consistent power for demanding projects, outlasting battery-powered saws that need recharging. The blade rotates at 5,200 RPM, providing a maximum cutting depth of 2 inches and 9/16 at 90 degrees and 1 9/10 inches at 45 degrees, with the capability to cut bevels up to 57 degrees. It is more versatile than many of its competitors. While it lacks LEDs or a laser guide, the DeWalt corded circular saw features a dust blower that helps maintain a clear-cut line. It also incorporates an electric brake to stop the blade rapidly. Ball bearings on the lower blade guard ensure smooth operation throughout the saw's lifespan. The aluminum sole contributes to the DeWalt DWE575SB's overall lightweight design, making it easier to maneuver. Number 4. Makita XS H06PT 18V X2 LXT Circular Saw Kit. Those interested in a high-performance circular saw may consider the Makita SH06PT kit. Unlike most rivals that offer 18 volts of power, the Makita utilizes 2 batteries simultaneously for a total of 36 volts. Additionally, these are high-capacity 5-amp-hour batteries, providing longer, more consistent performance than standard 2-amp-hour models. The kit comes with a dual-port rapid charger and a durable carry bag. With a speed of 6,000 RPM, the Makita ranks among the fastest cutting circular saws available. Its electronically controlled brushless motor includes automatic speed change, which adjusts torque output based on the material being cut, preventing blade slowdown or binding. Maximum cutting depths are 2 inches and 5/8 at 90 degrees and 1 13/16 at 45 degrees. For visibility and low light workspaces, there are 2 cut line LEDs. The battery charge level is indicated by a 3-stage LED display. The magnesium sole plate offers the benefits of being lighter than aluminum while maintaining superior strength. It's worth noting the Makita weighs 10.5 pounds with both batteries installed, making it heavier than most competitors. Due to the cost, the Makita SH06PT circular saw kit is likely most appealing to professional users, but it could also be worthwhile investment for serious DIYers undertaking large remodeling projects. Number 3. Skil 5280-01 15 amp 7 1/4 inch circular saw. Skil, the original inventor of the handheld circular saw, offers a wealth of experience in this tool category. The Skil 5280-01 is a corded model with numerous features at a budget-friendly price. Its 15 amp motor provides a speed of 5,300 RPM for efficient cutting. The saw offers a maximum cutting depth of 2 7/16 of an inch at 90 degrees and 1 15/16 inches at 45 degrees. To help guide accurate cuts, it includes a single-sided laser, ideal for those new to circular saws. The saw also features a dust blower that helps maintain a clear line of sight as you work. Safety features include a power indicator on the handle and a trigger guard with a safety lock for preventing unexpected operation. The saw includes an onboard blade change wrench for convenience. It has a steel base for cost savings, which adds a bit of additional weight. However, its total weight remains similar to cordless competitors. Still, it's a good value for DIY homeowners, and it comes with a carry bag. Number 2. DeWalt DCS 573B Flexvolt Advantage 20-volt circular saw. It's a powerful 20-volt cordless tool offering a speed of 5,500 RPM. This speed allows for faster cutting compared to some competing models. Its brushless motor design optimizes battery usage for longer runtime. A notable feature is the Flexvolt Advantage system, allowing the saw to utilize DeWalt's 60-volt batteries, unlocking a potential 77% power increase. Users should note that while the larger batteries offer a productivity advantage, they are more expensive. The circular saw has a maximum cutting depth of 2 9/16 of an inch at a 90-degree angle and 2 inches at a 45-degree angle. An integrated LED light aids in cut line visibility for accurate work, even in dim conditions. For enhanced safety, an electric brake brings the blade to a swift stop after cuts. The saw incorporates a rafter hook, a feature popular with carpentry professionals. It features an aluminum base that reduces weight. However, with a battery installed, the overall weight will reach approximately 9 pounds. Number 1. Makita 5007 Magnesium Circular Saw. This one is a classic and well-respected circular saw favored by professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Known for its powerful 15-amp motor, the 5007 MG spins at 5,800 RPMs, tackling tough cuts through hardwoods with ease. Despite its power, it maintains a surprising level of control and precision, making intricate cuts a breeze. One of the standout features is the magnesium construction. This makes the saw significantly lighter than its steel counterparts, reducing fatigue during long work sessions. The adjustments for both blade depth and bevel angle are smooth and easy to use with clearly marked scales for accuracy. Additionally, an integrated dust blower helps maintain a clear line of sight while cutting. The Makita includes a carbide-tipped blade, extending its lifespan compared to basic steel blades and ensuring cleaner cuts. An electric brake adds safety by quickly stopping the blade after the trigger is released. While a bit more expensive up front than some budget-friendly circular saws, the Makita 5007 MG justifies the cost with its durability, performance, and ease of use. It's a reliable workhorse that can handle the demands of serious projects for many years to come. That's it for today, guys. Like and share the video and comment down which circular saw would be best for you. All the product links are given in the description below, so make sure to check them out. I'll be back with more of the best products soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon to get a notification of our latest video. Till then, keep exploring. When you're ready to take your projects to
Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items.
It's a modern
be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.
Cleaner.